Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture on DynamoDB Streams. DynamoDB Streams captures a time-ordered sequence of item-level modifications in a DynamoDB table. It stores this information in a log for up to 24 hours. Applications can access this log and view the data items as they appeared before and after they were modified in near real time. Each stream record appears exactly once in the stream. Stream records are organized into groups or shards. Shards are ephemeral. If you disable a stream, any shards that are open will be closed. On this AWS documentation page, let's look into the different endpoints provided by DynamoDB. Your application directly interacts with the DynamoDB database table. The application directly interacts with the DynamoDB web API for inserts, updates, and deletes. The DynamoDB stream captures each of these changes and pushes these as a part of streams. It also exposes a web endpoint which can be used by applications to do certain processing. Also, the stream records are organized into groups called shards. A shard can be iterated and the stream records within a shard can be processed by a downstream application. Let's now log into the Amazon Management Console. This is the DynamoDB landing page, and then we'll click on Create Table. The table name for this demo would be streams_demo. I'll use part_key as the partition key. I'll use the default settings and then click on Create Table. Once the table is created, I'll click on Overview and then click on Manage Stream. So as you can see, we can have 4 types of views. First is keys only, wherein only the key attributes of the modified item would be passed to the stream. The new image view will have the entire item as it appears after it was modified. For old image view, the entire item as it appeared before the item was modified will be passed to the stream. For most of the scenarios, we use new and old images, wherein both the new and the old images of the item will be passed to the stream. We'll click on Enable, and now as you can see, an endpoint is now available for us to start using this stream. Take a note of this endpoint. We'll be using this as a part of triggers. We'll then click on Triggers, then Create New Function. We'll type a Lambda function name. Choose an existing role. I'll use one of the earlier defined role, that is lambda-dynamodb-role. For the batch size, I'll use 1 for this demo. And for the starting position, I'll use trim horizon. I'll click on Enable Trigger. This is the code which AWS has created for us, and it basically reads the data from the stream and outputs the data to a CloudWatch log. We'll click on Create Function. The message says that the function has been successfully created and configured with the stream. Now we'll put some entries to a DynamoDB table and see whether the Lambda function is able to process this data. So, a new item, this was passed into a DynamoDB stream, which in turn triggers the Lambda function, and this Lambda function will read this data and output the same in the CloudWatch logs. Let's now open the CloudWatch log. So here you can see the data which was inserted in the DynamoDB table is available in the CloudWatch log. So using DynamoDB streams, we can create triggers, and using triggers, we can do some processing based on the changes which happened in a DynamoDB table. We'll now go ahead and delete the DynamoDB table. For additional reading on this topic, please use below references. So in this video, we looked into DynamoDB streams and saw how we can use triggers on DynamoDB streams to process the changes in a DynamoDB table. In the next lecture, we'll look into DynamoDB performance tuning. All the best and have a nice day. Thank you.